gonna unpack this ultrasonic cleaner setup. Right, so this is the 30 liter. Right, this was purchased to clean parts when I'm doing rebuilds or anything like that. It comes with the instruction manual. There's a clamp for this hose, most likely for the drain, power plug, and this is probably for like little small stuff you can put, you know, hang it off, I guess. Right, it also comes with a basket where you put all your items in. You don't want it directly sitting at the bottom of ultrasonic, right? I'm gonna test run it and let you know how we go. Right, this one is a Vevor, what we call it. Alright, so I got some pistons in the ultrasonic. You see how it's full of carbon. Right, this is from a Ford Ranger. Right, so we're gonna increase the temperature. Set temperature to 50. Alright, I have some degreaser in there already. I want to add some water, and I'm running it for 15 minutes and see how they come out. I got that. I got the pistons totally submerged in water and degreaser. Right, I'm using purple blast. So I'm gonna put it on for 15 minutes. So after 10 minutes of sitting in the ultrasonic, let's see how the pistons look. Yeah, man, looking real clean. Let's take one out and look, see how it looks. Not too bad. Yeah, really good, to be honest. This piston has been in there for 10 minutes, and you actually see how clean it's gotten. This will definitely speed up my time. Really impressed.